good afternoon all. This is Major Himani Bhatt. I am the government sales leader from IBM. And the tagline for IBM point of view on defense is powering your decision advantage. Powering decision advantage for defense. Sustainable force. IBM Technologies and Consulting Services provides you solution across all these 4 pillars. If you see the mission readiness block, we have our asset optimization solution in form of Maximo. Our automation tools are there, wherein you can do your intelligent automation. You can be mission ready. I will cover the decision advantage in the next slide. For cyber resilient, we have various security solutions with us. And to keep you a sustainable force, we have a portfolio across our IT automation where you can use these solutions to actually optimize all your resources to the fullest. We provide all these technologies by our key principles at the base, which you see, which is the technology is open and secure. You have the data, you can govern the data. AI is responsible AI, a trusted AI. You can deploy IBM solution anywhere. And we follow the defense standards, the NATO standards. We have all the certifications, required certifications to provide solution to defense industries. And how all the IT optimization solutions are also there. Okay. Now if you see what are the core components through which we are providing this technology. We provide it through our hybrid cloud platform, which is a Red Hat platform. You can deploy your all solutions anywhere on the hybrid cloud and covering with all the security parameters, automation, and data and AI offerings. When we talk about the decision advantage for defense, so if you want to combine the domain where the defense organizations are working across your cyber, space, air, sea, and land. Here, we give you that feasibility of actually making decisions from headquarters to the edge. We have an edge computing solutions in the field area where you can deploy these edge solutions and take decisions where they need to be taken. Real time with real time data. This is a framework, the architecture which we provide. If you see at the bottom level, the line is, these are our partners. We are working with all these ecosystem partners to give you these national security solutions. Various n number of deployment options are there. It's a hybrid by design. So you can deploy on-prem or on cloud. Obviously for defense, it's an on-prem. So you can deploy on-prem. We have a deployment application container, which is called as Red Hat OpenShift. It's an open source platform. For defense, open source is the priority. So we have that solution. And on top of that, we have the entire infrastructure and platforms, including our data and AI offerings, our automation offerings, the security offerings. And obviously with that, you can achieve the use cases which are required for the national defense use cases, like defense simulations or mission readiness, asset optimization, threat intel, and cyber security. This will cover all your applications, starting from the business space to the battlefield applications. So the entire gamut of solution requirement for defense, we can work with our ecosystem partners and fulfill that. So what are the key principles of our technology when we are working with defense? It's open and secure architecture. And obviously because of this, it will give you the agility and flexibility to move on ground. Then the data and AI is governed. Use of ethical AI. We stress a lot on use of ethical AI. You can deploy our solutions anytime, anywhere, which is our hybrid cloud solution, Red Hat OpenShift. We follow all the industry standards. And obviously, you can optimize all your IT operations by using IBM IT tools. So what if we could provide you with a system where you can take the decision advantage from headquarters to the battlefield edge, where things are happening on ground. What if you can do analysis based on the real-time data which is coming to you at the field? What if at the edge you have that decision advantage? And what if you're not able to access that data? For that, we have our real-time assets planning tool. And again, we follow the same framework. If you see, we give you edge computing servers at your battlefield field, and you can deploy them through our Red Hat hybrid cloud platform, which is an open application container. On that, so the blue portion is what IBM is offering you, and in the gray portion is our ecosystem partners with whom we are working to provide you those kind of solutions. This is a view, a dashboard view of an offering from IBM, which is called as DSAS, your Defense Simulation Analysis Service. And at the battlefield, with available data, real-time available data, you can simulate, take better decisions before time, and obviously gain that advantage. Just a dashboard view of how it looks. Just to give you an example, a use case on this, we did it with UK Defence last year, and this was called as Exercise Spring Storm, where the 20th Army Armored Infantry Brigade, they used AI to provide the operational insight. So with the edge servers, edge computing servers, they were able to collect and feed data right on, real time, and plan using our AI tools the operations. And the statement made by the commanding officer was that the kit was shown to outperform our expectation and has applications for moving our level of analysis and speed at which we conduct our planning. So it helped them, and they are using this toolkit on ground, using IBM Mission Planning solution. We also have offering for defense exclusively, which is called as IBM Garage for Defense. This is our IBM Consulting, where we co-create and develop applications for you. We work with you, our industry experts work with you, and we develop these solutions customized for you. So we did a survey, so use of AI is on high, and we did this survey with 600 NATO countries, with 32 NATO countries, and 600 the IT officers belonging to those defense organizations responded on those surveys. So what were the challenges and what were the key elements which came out post that survey? That obviously defense forces are prioritizing AI. There is a budget now being assigned for AI-led projects. But there are certain challenges and speed bumps, obviously, which is related to the skill sets, and mostly to do with the ethical use of AI, and question around the authenticity, the explainability of AI. Those are the speed bumps. And despite these challenges, the leaders are really keen to deploy AI. It's a compelling factor for them to use AI in their, to build that operational advantage, decision-making advantage for them. In a nutshell, what came out was, there are two priorities for defense when they're investing in AI. One is to make valuable decisions so that they are ready, and that is why they are investing on AI. So the improved mission effectiveness. Basically, what were the concerns of the leaders when they were talking about implementing AI in their solutions? Were around the explainability of AI, the ethics, the biases, and can they trust this solution? So IBM point of view, when we are preparing or giving an AI-based solution to you, are based on these 4 principles. The solution should be open. It should be targeted. It should be customizable for you, for your specific use case. You can trust that solution. It should be explainable, and it should empower you. It should give you a good decision-making ability. This is our AI and data platform. You must have heard about it. This is our watsonx platform. It has majorly 3 components: watsonx.data, watsonx.ai, and watsonx.governance. .data is the platform where you store your data. It's a lakehouse kind of solution from disparate sources. .ai is your AI studio, where you train and tune your models. What foundation models are kept. The very important piece of it, which is a USP of IBM, there is nothing as of now offering from any other OEM on AI tool, which is the watsonx.governance. This is the ethical piece of AI. This covers your AI lifecycle management. This is what differentiates IBM from any other technology vendor, which is our watsonx.governance platform. You can do a lifecycle management, you can manage risk, and you can comply to your regulatory compliance. We have done this with the UK government, where they have come out with a joint service planning book, which is JSP 936. They have written some rules and regulations on how the AI should be deployed in defense organization, and we have worked with them, and watsonx.gov is actually being deployed there to mandate this. So definitely we are having some discussions with other defense organizations also, and would love to interact with you on this piece of it. There are various Gen AI use cases in defense which you can do under various subheadings, like talent and skill and support, on research and planning. I don't want to go on each and everything, but if you have a use case in mind, under these verticals like your research and planning, your mission readiness, we can provide you those Gen AI solutions. So in a nutshell, this is what IBM offering. At the center of it is IBM technology and IBM consulting, giving you the solutions, partnering with the entire ecosystem, addressing your use cases in a secure and ethical manner. These are certain references from all across the world, where we are working very closely with the defense organizations, including Indian, I can't reference it, but we are working very closely with Indian Army also and Indian Air Force. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.